In front of me is REALME C71 and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. Begin by opening Devices Settings. Now tap on Display and Brightness over here. Scroll down a tiny bit and select Font. Following that, you need to operate this slider under Font Size to adjust it and check out Preview at the top. Then go back. As you can see, after that, size of my font has changed. If you want to, you can also tap on Font and enable or disable bold text thanks to this switcher. Last but not least, you can restore your default font size by tapping Reset at the top right corner and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!